I'm Carol again, and this is Kids Yoga. And today's yoga is going to be lots of fun. We're going to explore different breaths. So, ways of breathing are good ways to help you calm down. So, everyone go ahead and grab a yoga friend at home, a stuffed animal, or a doll. And I'm going to start out with my love bear. It says love. And we're going to start out with some yoga poses, really just to get us moving first, okay? And let's go ahead and start out by standing up and taking your legs out into, this is called star pose. So standing up with your legs out, like my love bear here, it says love on the shirt, in star pose. Good. I'm gonna join you, okay? Okay. So we are out in star pose. Spread your fingers out. Good. Lift your arms up. And then just go side to side like a moon. Good. And then coming down. Now, since we're talking about a star, we're going to talk about nature. And let's go with our flower breath. So standing in star pose with your legs out, take your hands and make a flower bud. Put your hands together. Good. And we're going to open out the fingers and make a flower. And come back and use our breath. Ready? Here we go. So we're in a star pose. Good. We come to our flower hands. Make a flower bud. Inhale, open the flower out. And take your arms out. Good. And exhale. Take your hands back together and close the flower. Good. Do that again. I'm going to come close. Here we go. Inhale. Open the hands out. And exhale. Good. That's a pretty flower. Let's go back to our star pose. Speaking of nature, we're going to do the sun and the rain. Let's come out to our star and lift up, make a sun with our hands, and then make rain. Fingers come down, sprinkle rain all the way down to the floor. Come up, make a sunshine with our hands, and then sprinkle rain, come down. Good. Let's add a breath to that. So as you inhale, take the arms up, make a sun, and as you exhale, sprinkle rain, come all the way down. Good. So those have to do with our nature. So next, I'm going to get out my nature bear. This is my nature bear. And his shirt says, I love nature. And nature bear likes to be in tree pose. So let's go ahead and stand like my nature bear in tree pose. Whatever leg you want. Good. Good. So we have a breath we're going to do, and it's tree breath. So standing in our tree pose, whatever leg you like. Good. Come and bring your legs in and come down and crouch down. And then come up and grow your tree arms and grow the tree out. Good. Let's switch legs so we have balance. Ooh, just like our tree bear, our nature bear. Ready? Come down, crouch down, bend your knee, bring your arms in. Ready for our tree to grow. Good. Okay, another pose that we can do is we are in our tree pose and then the wind will come. Let's call this our wind breath. So going into your tree pose, just like our nature bear. Good. And then here comes the wind. Move your arms around. Good. And we can breathe. We can inhale and exhale let's come back to our love bear. And let's start with our nose breath. Teddy bear nose breath. So take your nose and then pick up your yoga friend at home. Hi! Good. And show me your yoga friend. Can you wave it in front of the camera screens or your computer screen at home? Good. So we're doing yoga together with our yoga friend. Whatever yoga friend you have is great. Any stuffed animal or doll. Go ahead and we point to the nose and then point to your nose. We inhale through the nose and we exhale out the mouth. And that helps us calm down. So point to the nose. Good. And then inhale through your nose and bring your yoga friend's nose close to the screen so I can see. Oh, that is a cute nose. And then exhale out your mouth and point to your friend's mouth. And let's go ahead and move really far back. This is a big exhale. Good. Point to the nose and inhale. Come really close. Can I see that nose? That's cute. Point to the mouth and exhale. Go really far back. Good, you're good at this. Are you breathing too? Here we go. Point to the nose and inhale. Go really close. Oh, hello. And point to the mouth and you exhale too. Exhale. Good. So we are calling that our teddy bear nose breath. Hello. Another way to do our teddy bear nose breath is to take your yoga friend at home and bring your face close with your friend face to face. Can you do that so I can see? Good. And then we inhale. Nose comes in. Exhale out the mouth and we bring it away. Good. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Good. Can you bring your friend's nose close to the camera again? Hi. That is cute. Okay. So the love bear talks about love. So we talk about love. Yoga is about loving yourself, having understanding and compassion for yourself. Compassion, that means that when you do things and you don't feel happy, it's okay to not be perfect. Don't be hard on yourself. Be okay with yourself. So we're going to start with our okay breath. Go ahead and take your hands in an okay. Good. Everything's okay. And okay means that it's not perfect, and that's okay. Because you love yourself just as you are. Good. So we're going to inhale through our nose and exhale out our mouth. Good. I see you. You got it. Here we go. Inhale, say oh. And exhale, say K. Good. Inhale, oh. Exhale, K. Good. So you can do that anytime, wherever you want, to find calmness and happiness inside. Good. Everything is okay. Next, we can do our hugging breath. I love this one because you get to love yourself. Ready? Arms out. Inhale. Exhale. Hug yourself and rock side to side. Good. And inhale. And exhale. Hug. Good. Pick up your yoga friend. Inhale and exhale. Hug. Good. Inhale and exhale. Hug. Good. I'm starting to feel calm and more love already. Okay, so next one we have is our finger breath. So our finger breath, go ahead and show me your hand. Hi. Hi. Okay, take the other hand and point to the top of one finger. Any finger is fine. The top of your finger is an inhale. And the bottom part is an exhale. Let's breathe together. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Are you breathing too? Inhale. Are you inhaling? And exhale. Are you exhaling? Good. Inhale and exhale. When we finish one hand, we make a heart. And you show me that heart with your hands. And bring that heart close to your heart. Good. Let's do the other hand. Ready? Show me your hand. Here we go. Inhale, exhale. Good. Inhale. Are you breathing too? Exhale. You inhale through your nose. Exhale out your mouth. Good. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. You ready to make heart hands? Exhale, make heart hands. Show me that heart, and then bring it to your heart. Good. So that is our finger breath. Next, we go into our shoulder breath. So, show me your shoulders. Good. Can you scrunch your shoulders up and down? Okay. Shoulder rolls. So you're going to shoulder rolls. You're going to roll forward and back. And back and forward. Let's have fun with this and really move your shoulders, okay? Ready? Inhale, we roll up and back. Good. Exhale, roll up and forward. Now make sure you breathe too. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Good. Exhale. Now add your arms and move everything as you move your shoulders. Here we go. Inhale. Don't fall back. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Now you want to add a heart in between. Ready? Here we go. Inhale. Exhale, heart. Inhale. Exhale, heart. Inhale. Exhale, heart. Good. I like that one. That feels good, huh? Okay. Another one we can do, it's about love. We have our counting breath. So you take both your hands on your heart. Can you put your hands here? Good. And we're going to count to 3 as we inhale and take our hands on our heart. And this is just about loving yourself. Okay? So inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. I like that one. Another one we can do love is we love cute puppies and kitties. If you love cute puppies and kitties, put your hands here and make cute little puppy and kitty ears. Let me see. So good. We can move our puppy kitty ears up and down. Hello. Oh, that is cute. I see you. Hi. Okay, so we're going to inhale and move the ears up. Exhale, ears come down. Now you breathe. Ready? Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. This is fun. Inhale. Exhale. Hello. That was fun. You are so cute. Okay, let's go on and let's do these breaths in a yoga pose. So we're going to start with a book, and this says, I am yoga. So let's go ahead and start by reading this book, and when they do a yoga pose, we do that yoga pose, okay? Here is this girl, and she has a whole world on her back. When I feel small in a world so big, when I feel small in a world so big, Here she is again with her friends. When I wonder how I fit in. She does all these things during the day. Look at all these things she does. She's running around. Oh, she's walking the dog. She's bringing out the garbage. She's doing some homework, playing some musical instruments, doing all these things. When the world is spinning around me so fast, I tell my body, be still, stop spinning around. I tell my thinking mind, be quiet. I tell my racing breath, be calm and have some self-love. Okay, we are ready. I close my eyes and I do yoga. Look at the bird on top of her head. Can we stand still? This is called mountain pose. Go ahead, stand very still and imagine a bird is on your head. Just like this girl here. And if you move, that bird will fly away. So we stand very still. Good. Nice. Next, I can touch the sky with my hands in my tree pose because I am so tall. Can you do tree pose? Good. I can soar among the clouds. I am so free. Can you go into airplane pose? Good. So we're going into our airplane pose and we're going to do some of our love breaths. Let's go ahead, pick up your yoga friend. I'm gonna grab mine. Hello. Ready? Let's go ahead and start in our airplane or our free pose. Take one leg back, be really free and soar and fly. Good. Now, if you want, you can pick up your yoga friend, okay? Any yoga friend you have at home, stuffed animal or doll. I see you. Okay, let's start with our teddy bear nose breath. So standing up with one leg back, bring your yoga friend away. Inhale and bring that nose close to your nose. And exhale, bring your yoga friend away. Good. Switch your legs, other leg back. Turn the other way. Good. Inhale, don't fall over. And oh wait, so we gotta move our friend to us. Ready? Inhale, nose to your nose. And exhale away. Good job, good. Next, our next breath we can do is our hugging breath. Let's go ahead, go back to our airplane pose and be free flying into our hugging breath. Ready? One leg up. Are you flying with me? Bring out your yoga friend and then inhale, hug. And exhale away. Good. Can you switch legs? Here we go. Inhale, hug. Close to your heart, lots of love. And exhale away. Good. Whoa, don't fall over. Nice. Okay, let's go ahead and move on. Do you feel lots of love? This is now our moon pose. Let's go into our moon pose. So, can you balance on one hand and one leg and take your arm and other leg in the sky? Can you do that? Let's try. Are you ready? Okay. Bring your yoga friend with you. Good. Yeah, you got it. Nice. So one hand down, one leg down, and the arm up. other side, guys. One hand, one leg. Whoa! Good. This is half moon. You ready to grab your yoga friend and do this pose together? Okay. Get your yoga friend out. Put it in one hand in the sky. Let's do our counting breath. So as we inhale, we count to 3, and exhale, count to 3. In between, you bring your yoga friend to your heart. Let's try that. Ready? Okay, yoga friend in one hand. Good, you got it. Ready? Come into our half moon pose. Whoa. And inhale. Bring 1, 2, 3 your friend in. And exhale. Bring it out. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Close to your heart. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, good. Let's try the other side. So, yoga friend in the other side, half moon pose. Here we go. One hand, one leg. Ready to do your counting breath? Count to 3. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Bring your yoga friend to your heart. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Yoga friend away. Good. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Wow, that was really cool. Okay, let's do our next yoga pose. From half moon, we go into our boat pose. So pretend you're balancing on a mountain with your legs up high. Can you do this pose? Good. You ready? Now we can do one more of our heart or our love bear breath. We can do our puppy kitty. Do you love puppies and kitties? Good. Get your yoga friend if you like, and let your yoga friend rest on you as you go into your boat pose. Ready? Here we go. Yoga friend can be on your lap if you like, or just next to you. Lift your arms up, sit down, and lift your legs. Whoa! You are a boat. Now let's do puppy kitty ears. So we inhale, lift the ears, and exhale, lower. Can you lift up your legs? Here we go. Inhale, lift the ears. Exhale, lower. Good. Inhale, ears up. Exhale, ears down. Inhale, ears up. Exhale, ears down. You are cute. Very cute puppies and kitties. Hi. Okay, next one, we're gonna go into our shoulder breath in our next pose. This is called camel pose. Wow. This one looks like it feels good. Opens up the front of the body. Good. So let's go ahead. Now in our shoulder breath, we inhale, roll our shoulders back. And then exhale, roll the shoulders forward and make a heart. Let's do this, okay? You can have your yoga friend with you, and your yoga friend can be next to you. Ready? Bring your yoga friend next to you. Come down on your knees. Let's start with our hands up. Roll the shoulders back, and then reach the hands back. Inhale, and then exhale, roll the shoulders forward and make a heart. Good. Ready? Inhale, roll the shoulders back. Camel pose. Good. Exhale, roll the shoulders forward and make a heart. Good. One more. Inhale, roll the shoulders back. And exhale, roll the shoulders forward, make a heart. Did you make a heart? Good. That was fun. Okay. Next pose. We're going into this pose. This is down dog. Yay! I love down dog. We just did our puppy kitty pose, puppy kitty breaths, and we are in down dog. So it's perfect. Okay, in our down dog, let's do our finger breath. So when your hands are out in your down dog, spread your fingers out. And when we count, we're gonna lift a finger and then lift the other finger and lift the other finger. Are you ready? In your down dog hands, here we go. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, lift the other finger, exhale, lower. That's hard. Inhale, lift, exhale, lower. Inhale, lift, exhale, lower. Inhale, lift, exhale, lower. Good. Let's come down into our child pose. You ready? So we're in our down dog, and then come back to our child pose. Come up into your down dog again, and child pose. One more down dog, and child pose. Good. Let's do our finger breath again. Go ahead, bring your hands close to the camera screen so I can see. Can you wave your hands around? Good. Let's do our finger breath again. And let's point to the top is an inhale and bottom is exhale. And in between each hand, let's do a heart, okay? You ready? Here we go. Inhale and exhale. You move your hand too. Inhale, are you breathing? And exhale, good. Inhale, I see you. And exhale, good breath. Inhale and exhale, very good breathing. Inhale, exhale, ready to make a heart? Good. Other hand. Inhale and exhale. Good. Inhale, exhale. Good. Inhale, good breath. And exhale. Nice. Inhale, exhale. Good. Inhale, exhale, ready to make a heart? Make a heart. Good. Those are some good love breaths. Nice. Now we're going to go back to our nature bear. So, remember the nature bear was doing different breaths, and we're going to start with our flower breath. So, going into our warrior two. Let's go into our warrior two and do our flower breath. What was our flower breath? We made a flower bud, and we open the hands out. And we close it. Are you ready? Here we go. Come into warrior two. Here we go. And arms in, make a flower. And then open the hands out. And come back. Good. Hold your flower. Here we go. Let's breathe. Inhale, open your flower. And exhale, close your flower. Try the other side. Ready? Make a flower bud. Inhale, open your flower. And exhale, close the flower. Inhale, open the flower. Good. Exhale, close the flower. That is really pretty. Can you come close to the screen so I can see your hands? Can you make a pretty flower bud with your hands? Here we go. Ready? Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Good. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. That is pretty. Good. I can see you guys. You have some of you are being really silly at home. Okay. So as we move on in our nature breath, let's see what we have here. So in this book, she says, I can stand up for me. I can stand up for others. I can stand up for peace. This is reverse warrior. As we move on to our breath, let's do some more nature breath. Okay, ready? We're going into our waterfall breath. So go ahead and take your hands up and then come down. Exhale and move your fingers down. Inhale, lift up, fingers up. And exhale, fingers down. Move your fingers like water drops. Good. Now let's go into the sun and the rain. Make a sun and then rain down. Same thing, ready? Inhale, sun. Exhale, rain down. Inhale, sun. Exhale, rain down. Let's do that in our warrior pose. Are you ready? Here we go. Bend one knee, warrior. And let's go ahead and come up into reverse warrior. Make a sun. Lean back. Inhale, exhale. Make it rain. Fingers down. Stretch. Inhale, come up, lean back. Come into a nice reverse warrior and a sun. Can you make your arms into a sun? Good. And then exhale, move the fingers, make it rain. Sun and the rain. Good. Let's try the other side. Now we go right into the waterfall. In the waterfall, we're just gonna reach back and reach forward. Here we go. Bend that knee, guys. Ready? Here we go. Reach back, inhale, and exhale, waterfall. Inhale, up, and the water goes down. Exhale. Inhale, nice waterfall, arms. Good, and exhale. Good. You guys getting good water? Nice, okay. Next, let's go into, oh, I like this. I can carry beauty with me, I am full. I can carry beauty with me, I am full. And this is our bow pose. Can you do that bow pose? So lay on your belly, reach back for your feet. Good. Nice. So, and as we are in nature, we're gonna go ahead and move around. In nature, we have the wind breath. And just like before, in our tree pose, moving our arms, when there's wind, we rock around. Let's go ahead, reach back for our feet. Ready? Here comes the wind. And you move around, rock around in your wind breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Are you rocking? Good. Okay, good job. That's our wind breath as we rock around as we breathe. Good. Next, in our book, it says, I can say I've had enough for today and I can relax. I can relax. This is our child pose. Can you do that pose and lay down, bend your knees, bring your hands down in front of you. Good, and relax. Let's do our nature breath. And this is our butterfly arms. So move your arms like a butterfly in our child pose and relax. Let's go ahead, come down. You can have your yoga friend in front of you if you like. Here we go. Yoga friend's here. Arms come down by your feet and relax. Let's breathe. Inhale, lift up, and then butterfly arms. And exhale, come down. Inhale, up, butterfly arms. And exhale, down. Yeah, you got it. Inhale, up, butterfly breath. Exhale, down. Let's do that one more time. You're good at that, guys. Inhale, butterfly breath. Exhale, down. Good. Okay. If you're yoga friend, let's move on to our next one. We're moving into our star pose on the ground. I can rest, I am calm. Let's lay down like a star. Good. We have our rainbow breath. So, picking up your yoga friend, we're gonna make rainbow arms over our head as we lay down. You can hold your friend in both hands or one hand. You have your yoga friend? Here we go. Rainbow breath. Lay down. Arms to one side. Inhale, make a rainbow. Exhale. Inhale, rainbow other way. Exhale. Inhale, bring your friend up. Exhale. Let's lift our legs too. Ready? Here we go. Inhale, legs up. Exhale. Inhale, lift your legs up. And exhale. Good. That's fun. One more. Inhale, rainbow breath. Exhale. Good. Okay. Ready? Bring close to the screen your yoga friend. Let's move on. What else can we do? We can go into some more yoga poses. This is water breath. Take your arms out and inhale, move your arms and exhale. Inhale, water, exhale. Good. Inhale and exhale. Are you breathing? Can you hold your yoga friend in one hand? Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Are you breathing? Inhale, water breath. Good. Exhale. You can move your whole body. Let's go into our star. Hold your yoga friend. Ready? Water breath. Inhale. Exhale. Wave your arms around. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. That is relaxing. That feels good. That's water. Okay. What else can we do with our nature theme? We can do the sky and the earth breath. Take your yoga friend on your head. Hello. Good. We're going to inhale and look at the sky. And as you exhale, look at the earth. Inhale, look at the sky. Exhale, look at the earth. Good. Let's stand up and do that, okay? Here we go. Keep your yoga friend on your head. Take your feet out in our star pose. Inhale, look at the sky. Exhale, look at the earth. Inhale, look at the sky. Exhale, look at the earth. Are you moving? Are you breathing? Inhale, look at the sky. Exhale, look at the earth. Good. That is our sky and earth breath. I like that one. We got to move around a lot. Okay, I see you moving there. We're gonna go into our wind twisting breath. So take your friend here. You ready to twist? Let's go into our star pose and we twist. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Good. Inhale, exhale. Good. Good twisting. That's a wind twisting breath. Can you take your yoga friend and do the same? Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Good. That breathing is calming. The next one we do is our jumping star. Get your yoga friend. Come into our yoga star pose. We're gonna come down and jump down. Good. Ready? And jump out to a star. Ta-da! Good. Let's come down jump down. Ready? And let's inhale. Here we go. Inhale. Good. Exhale. Are you breathing? Inhale. Good. Exhale. That's fun. Jump really high. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Okay. Next, we're going to move on to our alignment bear. So we have my alignment bear, and this says alignment. And that means you have your arms and legs in alignment in a straight line. So let's go ahead and sit down in our alignment pose with your arms and legs in a straight line. And that means your shoulder, elbow, and wrists are in the same line. And your hip, knee, and ankle are in a straight line. Good. So in our alignment pose, we'll do some breaths. Have your yoga friend next to you. Take your legs out. Align your arms up in a straight line. Inhale and exhale, come down. This is our elevator breath. Here we go. Inhale, up the elevator. Exhale, down the elevator. Inhale, up the elevator. Exhale, down the elevator. Good. We can do this to the side. There's an elevator here. Let's go ahead. Exhale, down the elevator. Inhale, up the elevator. Other side. Exhale, down the elevator. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Are you breathing? Inhale, up. Good. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Good. Next, you want to show me your feet? Can you show me your feet? Can you show me your feet? So, in our alignment, we're going to, hi, I see your feet. Hello. We're going to point and flex. So when you point, you take your foot and you point. And then you flex. Can you do that? Point. Can you show me your feet? And flex. Good. Now we're going to do our feet pointing breath in our alignment pose. You ready? Here we go. Let's take our legs out. Here we go. Okay. Go ahead, stretch to this side. Now, point your feet and then flex them. Good. Point your feet and flex them. Try the other side. Stretch to the side. Point your feet and flex. Good. Point and flex. We can breathe with that. You want to breathe with that? Stretch to this side. Inhale. Point your feet. Exhale. Flex. The feet pointing breath. Inhale, point. Exhale, flex. Other side, can you stretch? Ooh, that feels good. Ready to do our feet pointing breath. Inhale, point. Exhale, flex. Ooh, that's nice. Inhale, point, I see you. Exhale, flex. Good. Let's go into our rainbow breath. Hands to one side, pick up your yoga friend. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Pretty rainbows. Inhale, exhale. Good. Inhale, exhale. Nice. Okay, we're gonna jump. I told you we're gonna jump today. Are you ready? This is our jumping backwards breath. First, take your yoga friend and let's stand in our star pose. Take your legs out and your arms out. We're going to jump and turn the other way and jump. And jump. And jump. Good. Can we do that with our breath? So this is our jumping breath pose. And we want to keep your arms and legs straight in alignment. Ready? Okay. Go in your yoga star. Are you ready? Here we go. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Are you breathing? Make sure you breathe when you're jumping, okay? Here we go. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Good. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Good. You got it. We had a lot of fun with that. Next, we're going to go on to my breath bear. So this bear is always breathing calm. So we're going to breathe calm, and we're going to go into our peaceful breath. So take your hands in prayer. Like this. Good. Nice. Okay. So our hands are in prayer. Let's be peaceful. Take your hands up in prayer. Inhale. And exhale, lower. You feel peaceful? I do. Inhale. Hands come up in prayer. Good. And exhale. That's our peaceful breath. Good. Okay. Next one, we have our teddy bear belly breath. Take your yoga friend on your belly and let's lay down. Teddy bear belly breath right here. Here we go. Inhale, push your belly up. Exhale, lower your belly. Inhale, push your belly up. Your yoga friend should be coming up with your belly. If you push the belly, exhale, yoga friend comes down. Inhale, push your belly out, yoga friend comes up. Exhale, yoga friend comes down. That's so relaxing, good. That's our teddy bear belly breath. Good. We do it all through all the breaths today and read a fun book about yoga and being peaceful and loving yourself. Now let's play Yogi Says. So Yogi Says is just like Simon Says, and you only do the pose if Yogi says so. If Yogi doesn't say so, we don't. Ready? Okay. Yogi Says, come into your warrior pose. Here we go. Yogi Says, do your sun and rain breath. Inhale, sun. Exhale, rain. Inhale, sun. Exhale, rain. Yogi Says, do your warrior pose on the other side. Good. Do your twisting breath. Did Yogi say to do your twisting breath? Oh no! Yogi Says do your twisting breath. Wind twisting breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good. Yogi Says go into your boat pose. Okay. Yogi Says. So if Yogi says so, we do so, right? Yogi Says go in your boat pose. You there? Good. Yogi Says, do your cute puppy kitty breath. Here we go. Inhale, ears up. Exhale, ears down. Inhale, ears up. Exhale, ears down. Inhale, ears up. Exhale, ears down. Good. Yogi Says, come into your star pose. Good. Yogi Says so. Okay. And do your jumping breath. Let's do our jumping breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Are you jumping? Did Yogi say to do your jumping breath? Okay, let's do it now. Ready? Yogi Says do your jumping breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Woo! That is fun. Okay. Yogi says, go into your down dog pose. Ready? Good. Yogi says, go into your tree pose. Good. Yogi says, do your tree growing pose. We come down, inhale, grow. Exhale, come down. Good. Inhale, grow the tree. Exhale, down. Good. Yogi says, switch legs. Switch to the other leg. Did Yogi say so? Did you switch? Okay, now Yogi says, switch legs. I almost got you. Good. Yogi says, do your rainbow breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Rainbow breath. Good. Yogi says, stop. Do it again. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Oh, did Yogi say to do it again? Oh no. Yogi says do it again. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Yogi says, bring your hands close to the screen. Yogi says, put your hands into a flower. Yogi says, open your flower and inhale. Yogi says, close your flower and exhale. Yogi says, open your hands and make an okay. Yogi says, inhale O. Yogi says, exhale O. Yogi says, inhale O. Exhale O. I see you. Good. Okay. Now Yogi says, exhale O. Yogi says, puppy kitty ears on your head. And we inhale, ears down. Exhale, ears up. Inhale, ears down. Oh, did Yogi say? Here we go. Yogi says, inhale, ears down. Yogi says, exhale, ears up. Yogi says, inhale, ears down. Yogi says, exhale, ears up. Inhale, ears down. Did you do it? Yogi says, inhale, ears down. Good. Yogi says, pick up your yoga friend. Yogi says, make your yoga friend dance. Yogi says, bring your yoga friend close to the screen with a nose. Yogi says, exhale and go really far back. Yogi says, inhale, come really close. Yogi says, exhale, go really far back. Yogi says, inhale, really close. Exhale, really far back. Did Yogi say so? Oh. Here we go. Yogi says, exhale really far back. Good. We're going to do one more breath. Teddy bear nose breath. Ready? Yogi says, bring the nose to your nose. Yogi says, exhale, bring the nose away. Yogi says, inhale, nose to nose. Exhale, bring it away. Uh-oh, did Yogi say to bring it away? You should still be here. Yogi says to bring it away. Yogi says, bring your nose to nose. Yogi says, bring it away. Back to nose to nose. Did you do it? Oh, okay, let's try again. Yogi says, nose to nose. And bring it away. Did Yogi say so? Oh no! Yogi says, bring it away. Yogi says, do hugging breath and hug. Good. Yogi says, arms out, put your friend aside. Yogi says, inhale. Yogi says, exhale, hug yourself. Yogi says, inhale, arms out. Exhale, hug yourself. Oh no! Did Yogi say so? Yogi says, exhale, hug yourself. Good. How are you guys doing? Did I get you? It's confusing. Thank you guys. We're gonna go ahead and take our hands in prayer. We're done with playing Yogi Says. That was fun. And anytime you need to, do your breath. Let's end in our positive, peaceful prayer breath. Hands in prayer. We're done with playing Yogi Says. Let's just breathe and be calm together. Hands in prayer, peaceful breath. Inhale, hands come up. You can join me. Good. Exhale, peaceful hands down. Nice. Inhale, peaceful hands up. Exhale, peaceful hands down. Good. Let's do our heart breath. Hands on our heart. You can join me. Inhale, open the hands out. And exhale, hands on your heart. Inhale, open the hands out. Exhale, hands on your heart. Can you make a heart with your hands? Bring it close to your heart. Good. Lots of love, lots of care to yourself. Practice calm breath, all these fun breaths you can do in a yoga pose or anywhere you want. Let's say namaste together. Take your hands in prayer. Namaste. Good. Namaste. What does namaste mean? It means the spirit in me honors the spirit in you. The spirit in me honors the spirit in you. Thank you.